That is a truck with a jet engine strapped to the back. That's a truck with a jet engine strapped to the back, guys. There's the awesome jet truck that we saw earlier, all parked up. That thing did a race with an airplane and won. Absolutely insane.
It lost.
It lost?
Yeah, the plane won.
I thought the plane won. My dad said it lost, and I was like, but I only saw the beginning.
The plane won because when it was so the mark was right here where that pole is, right?
Okay.
By the time it got to that pole right there,
The plane was
when
ahead.
the plane was right here, when the plane got to that pole, he took off and the plane was going and he was trying to catch up and then lost.
Yeah, makes sense. Still, hell of a try.